Hi there, this is Shinjini from moderngypsy.in and today I'm going to be creating in my one-page shopping bag journal. So I created this art journal out of a shopping bag and just collaging and painting on both sides of the shopping bag and then folding it to create a journal. So these pages, all of them already have some paints and some marks on them, and I can choose to either cover them up completely or to let bits of them peek through, and they give me interesting starting points for creating a painting. So here you saw me put down some white and brown and cover up a lot of that paint that was on the page, and then I came in with a little silicone tool and scraped away some of that paint to just show the little red flower-like shapes that had got hidden in the paint. And I'm going to continue to build up this page, just laying down some colors and bringing in some marks and some etching and finding a figurative a figure within these layers of paint in a very intuitive manner. So sit back and enjoy watching this video, and I hope that it'll give you a lot of little tips and insights into how you can create your very own intuitive, figurative, abstract painting.
Sous le ciel bleu, vole en silence les cœurs des gens amoureux. Sur mon chemin, comme je suis bien, sans mes tracas quotidiens. Tête légère, regard au loin,
hope that you enjoyed this video and really enjoyed seeing the process of this figurative piece coming together. The way you can find some images within the layers of your paints, it makes for a very playful and interesting painting session. So if you enjoyed this video, do hit like and subscribe, and so that you're informed of whenever I upload a new video, which is going to be every alternate week. And if you'd like some more art journaling inspiration and some juicy conversations on the artist's mindset and the creative life, then do head over to my website, which is moderngypsy.in, and you'll find a lot more resources and goodies there that will inspire your creative artistic soul. So until next time, take care, keep creating, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.